Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Fidelity for AI retirement planning automation step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Fidelity Investments and press enter. Once on the Fidelity homepage, look for the login option at the top right corner. If you are a new user, click on the register link located underneath the login fields. You will be directed to the registration page. Here, you'll need to enter your personal information, including your name and date of birth. Next, provide your social security number for verification purposes. Select your preferred contact method and enter your email address. Once you've filled out the necessary fields, click on Continue. Fidelity will send you a verification email. Check your inbox for this email and open it. Follow the instructions to verify your email address. After verifying your email, return to the registration page. Complete any additional requested details, such as your address and phone number. You will also create a username and password for your account. Ensure your password meets the security requirements outlined on the page. After entering a password, click on Submit. Your account will be created, and you will be logged into Fidelity for the first time. Now, navigate to the retirement planning section of the website. Look for options related to AI retirement planning automation. Follow the prompts to set up your retirement goals. Input your current financial information as requested. The AI tool will analyze your data to provide personalized retirement strategies. Review the suggested plans and make adjustments as necessary. Once satisfied, save your settings and confirm your retirement plan. You are now fully registered and utilizing AI retirement planning automation with Fidelity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.